the window and the rain. It started with the sound. Tap, tap, tap. Soft, gentle raindrops hitting the window. Sarah looked up from her book. She was sitting on the couch with a blanket wrapped around her legs. The room was quiet. No TV, no music, just the rain. She smiled. Finally, she whispered, "Rain." She stood up, walked to the window, and pulled the curtain back a little. Outside, the world looked soft. The sky was a pale gray. The street was shiny and wet. A few people were walking past with umbrellas in their hands. Red, blue, one with polka dots. Store. She watched a couple walking slowly, side by side under a large black umbrella. Another person rushed by, holding a bag over their head. Sarah leaned her forehead gently against the cool glass. "It's one of those days," she said to herself, "when you just want to stay in." Her umbrella, then closed it again. She turned and walked into the kitchen. The floor was cold under her bare feet. She opened a cupboard, took out her favorite mug, the one with little stars on it, and dropped a tea bag inside. She poured hot water from the kettle. Steam rose. The smell of chamomile filled the room. Sarah. Ben. Sarah too. Back on the couch, she wrapped herself in the blanket again, holding the mug with both hands. Warm, quiet, safe. The rain kept falling. Her cat, Momo, jumped onto the windowsill and stared outside. His ears twitched as he watched the raindrops slide down the glass. "You like the rain too, huh?" Sarah said with a soft laugh. She took a sip of her tea, then another. She wasn't thinking about work, or her phone, past, or her long to-do list. Right now, she was just here, sitting by the window, listening to the rain, watching people go by. A little girl skipped past the window, wearing yellow rain boots. She jumped into a puddle and giggled. Sarah laughed too. "I used to do that," she thought. "I is in dead." And just for a second, she felt something calm, like time had slowed down. Sarah looked around her small apartment, the plants on the shelf, the quiet books, the soft light. "This is enough," she said softly. "This is more than enough. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you like to watch the rain from your window? Your story might help someone else feel less alone. Share it below. Practice these words or phrases. Let's practice what you learned from this story. Say these out loud with me. Sitting by the window. 2. Listening to the rain. Soft sound. 3. Watching people. 4. Rainy day. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll get. Ready for the next story?